Hi, hello, it's me, author of this vlog, and I wanted to try something else and going out of my comfort zone and talking to you in English, which is not like, as you can hear, probably my first language, but yeah, it's a form of exercise for me also. So what you can see right now is me on Easter Monday after a really tough week, just sitting on the couch and looking through my new Louis Vuitton Tokyo guide, because yeah, we are going to Tokyo soon, not only Tokyo, and it's time to actually prepare the trip. So yeah, it was a very slow and chill day actually. And yeah, with that short introduction, let me invite you for today's vlog. I hope you will have a nice time, and yeah, there will be more me speaking somewhere there inside. So yeah, let me know if you prefer more silent vlogs or blah blah in the background.
Wizyta w chatce Ech była tylko jedną z wielu przyjemności tych ferii. Ann z Dianą powędrowały tam dawną drogą przez...
실수로 닭다리살을 2팩이나 구매해버렸어요. 오늘
This training could
So I bought a new camera. I bought a new camera for my upcoming Japan trip, and I hope it will be good enough for just going around, recording some memories and taking photos. But yeah, I figure out that maybe it's time to also start talking in my vlogs, but I'm not sure, to be honest. But yeah, maybe that's the thing to do. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I will go back to silent vlogs soon. Okay, so now I want to try my new camera, so I will go out. It's super sunny and warm today. I am in Poland right now. I came here for 2 weeks. Yeah, and let's see how camera works outside. Shall we? I tested. So the thing is, I'm actually pretty shy. Whenever I try to record things outside, I'm trying to not record other people, which is pretty difficult, especially at days like that when it's super warm and weather is nice and people are all around. But also, I don't feel confident enough to just go out and show other people that I'm recording myself. I guess This is thing that most people on YouTube struggle. So I'm not alone, that's for sure. But at the same time, I would like to use this camera a lot because I have a feeling it's pretty nice. I'm not used to wide lenses, so I'm not happy with all the shots I tried. Probably I will use still my iPhone to record some things, but I need to figure out the settings because probably I'm not using even a half of it, and probably I can change some settings around, I don't know, the proportions, etc. So maybe it will be different, but I need to give it a try. So yeah, that was my very short set or shot of Sunday afternoon. I spent almost all my morning doing nothing and just chilling, relaxing, so there was nothing to record. Right now I have to sit down and edit the video I have from last week, from preparations for the trip, etc. So this is something what I need to like still edit, and I have no idea how much time it will take because it always takes me hours. And yeah, and that's all. So I hope you liked that small intro to me talking, and we'll see, maybe I will talk more. Now I'm testing a new monster like taste, ultra strawberry drinks. I don't drink a lot of things like that, but I have a feeling I need it today. It's without sugar, and I hope it will give me enough energy to edit everything and not fall asleep during doing that. So yeah, tomorrow is Monday. I'm still working remotely for next 2 weeks being here. I will have some small trips to office and to like different appointments. So yeah, you will probably stick with me and see the outcome next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.